Hi and welcome. My name is Sarah May Niesel. I am the Product Manager for Product Lifecycle Management in Discrete Industries, and I'm delighted to tell you about this upcoming online course. I'd like to give you a brief preview of the openSAP course, Research and Development in Discrete Industries. In this course, you will learn how you can manage the process of inventing new, profitable products, systems, and services from a product idea based on market or customer requirements down to the handover to manufacturing. We'll show you how you can create your own digital twin by digitally capturing and synchronizing mechanical, electronic, and software data components in the design phase. This enables a complete and seamless downstream process of your supply chain. This also allows new products in the design phases to be industrialized. And this course is primarily aimed at key business users, solution consultants, and users of product lifecycle management software. It will also be of interest to sales and pre-sales professionals in the digital supply chain. This course will be presented by me and a host of experts in the field of product lifecycle management. This course will run for 5 weeks, followed by a final exam. Here's what you can expect. In week number 1, we'll introduce you to research and development in discrete industries, giving you a complete overview of the solution capabilities and sharing practical customer and industry insights. In week number 2, it's all about managing ideas and concepts. Here, we will guide you through the complexities of innovation and requirements management through to setting up collaboration for your product designs. Week 3 is entitled Early Engineering. Our intention is to take you through various aspects of the design phase, such as model-based engineering, costing, and collaborating with suppliers at an early stage. Week 4 is focused on detailed design and prototyping, all the way to product validation. And finally, in week 5, we'll look at the handover to production and operations. In the 6th week, you'll have the chance to take the final exam. During the course, we invite you to join our online discussion forum. Here you can discuss all your questions, comments, ideas with other students, SAP experts, and instructors. If you pass the course with the needed points, you will earn a course certificate, which we refer to as the Record of Achievement, and a digital badge that you can share across your social networks. If this course sounds interesting to you, go ahead and enroll. I look forward to seeing you there.